Welcome to my brand new training video. If you are watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me. It will be appreciated. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your followers, with your subscribers, with your loved ones, and also don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So let's dive into this video. 5 laziest way to make money online. 100% beginners friendly, newbie friendly, no technical skills required, no experience required, and you don't have to have a website or a blog or do these kind of things. It's very easy. It's a simple setup process, and once you set up the system, you could start making money over and over and over again. And I'm going to show you the methods that you can use to make 2024 one of the best years for yourself and create a real solid internet marketing business and a real solid 6-figure business from home. So let's dive into this video. So the first program is called preply.com. Now, if you're professional in any kind of languages, you could go to this website and start teaching people and tutoring people about a certain language. It could be English, it could be Arabic, it could be French, it could be Spanish, it could be Italian, it could be any language. You could just come to this website called preply.com, come here, sign up for your account, and start finding people who are interested in learning a certain language, and you could start teaching people and get paid handsomely. If you come to this website and you scroll down, it gives you a lot of information about what to expect. Okay, so you can see here experienced tutors, up to 32,000 plus experienced tutors. You could be one of those tutors too if you know a professional language and you want to teach people working from home, from the comfort of your home. It's the best way to start making a lot of money from the internet, and it's the best way to quit your 9-to-5 job once you start making enough money that could replace your 9-to-5 job income. So you can see here, it says down here 300,000 plus 5-star tutor reviews, 120 plus subjects taught, tutor nationalities 180 plus. And if you scroll down, it gives you more information on the languages as well. So you can see Arabic tutors, English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Japanese, etc. So you could be one of the tutors and start teaching people a certain language online and start getting paid. All right, so it's a very good way to work from home and start making real money online. And this is 100% beginners friendly, because obviously if you know a certain language, you don't have to go out there and learn it yourself. You just have to apply and then start finding people to teach people. And you might want to look into other people as well, the way they doing it, so you could get a bit more idea and make yourself easy for this kind of work. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, laziest way to make money online. Okay, as you know, there are a lot of people that have a lot of kind of professional. So you're probably professional in logo design, in website creation. You probably have a professional in creating a YouTube thumbnail image, a Facebook thumbnail image, or TikTok thumbnail image, etc. So you could come to a website like Fiverr.com and provide that service and get paid handsomely. As you can see here, this person down here is a top-rated guy, and he's offering, I will create a professional minimalist business logo design for just 21 British pounds. That's about, I guess it's about $30 approximately. And he's already got 1,000 plus orders, as you can see down here. So these are people who are professionally logo design, and they're going to offer their services to different people. People are going to purchase that service, and guess what? You get paid. So if you're professional in anything, you could come to this website and start offering your services now. Now, if I go here, you can see there are different options. I could do digital marketing as well. So if you're someone who know how to market a website, how to drive some traffic, you could offer your service down here, and people will come here and buy that service from you. So you can see social media marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce marketing, video marketing, etc. And if you come here, video animation, you could do video editing. So there will be people who wants to get their video edited. If you have a professional and you know how to edit videos professionally, you could come here and offer your service and get paid handsomely. So there are so many options down here, and if you don't find anything within these categories, then you could just go to the search bar and type it in. For instance, I could just type in like Google AdSense earning and let's see what the Fiverr has to offer, right? So if I just scroll down, I could see, and then I could just see the budget, delivery time. If I just scroll down, and I could see some people offering some services, so I could see I will optimize best ads placement, Google ads, and traffic earning. All right, and if I scroll down, if I could see something very good, I could see, look at this person's got over 140 orders for £66 British. What is this? What I will create a high earning Google AdSense approved website. Okay, that's looking good. So you could have a lot of things offered on this website and start getting paid handsomely on completely autopilot. So basically, you just put your offer in, all right, and see how the other people are doing it. And once you start getting those orders, then you just start making money. Basically, you don't even have to drive traffic yourself. Basically, Fiverr has so much traffic coming to their website, so any people who will come to this website, they will make a search, and guess who get paid after the order? You get paid. Okay, so number 3, the laziest way to make money online for beginners in 2024 is affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and earning commissions. Now, the best place to get started to promote other people's products is clickbank.com. All right, if you go to Clickbank, it's a digital marketplace where you can promote other people's product. Now, you can promote physical products too. So if you go to Amazon, all right, and you want to promote physical products from Amazon, you could apply as an affiliate for Amazon as well. But the problem with Amazon is that Amazon pays very, very less than some of the product. They pay less than 5%. With Clickbank, with digital products, people, they pay you over 50%, 50% to 75% commission. All right, so you could come to clickbank.com, enter your information, give them your address details, bank details, so you can get paid, and you could just choose a product to start getting paid. And the good part is that you can choose a recurring product. That means you just promote that product once, and if you make sales, those sales come in on complete autopilot every single month, and you get paid recurring commissions every single month. As you can see here, I've opened up a page down here. It's called Live Chat Jobs. All right, and it's going to pay me approximately $64 for every sale. It gives me the information of this product. It's a one-time offer, and it's a recurring offer as well, which means that if they purchase the recurring product from this offer on completely autopilot every single month, I will be earning some type of commission from this product, even though I'm not promoting this anymore. All right, so it's one of the best ways to make money. Now, if you can find recurring offers, like a couple of recurring offers, and stop promoting it and generate some amount of sales, you're just making effort for once, but guess what? You're going to continue to make that type of money every single month on completely autopilot. That's how this system works. Okay, so you can find recurring offers, you can find one-time offers, you can find $1 trial offers too, but the recurring offer is the best one if you know how to drive some quality traffic, because once you make that sale and that person sticks to the product and he loves the product, he's going to continue to use it, and guess who gets paid every single month? You get paid every single month as a recurring commission. Okay, so this is how you make money online. All right, and this is how you can build a business in affiliate marketing, starting off with Clickbank. Okay, now before I dive into the next option, if you still haven't smashed that subscribe button, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. And if you want to learn more ways and you want a free case study and a free training on how to build a real solid $20,000 plus per month internet business from the comfort of your home, then make sure you check out the links in my description box below this video. In my bio, you're going to find all that links there, and in those links you're going to find a link where you can see a free case study and a free training video that's going to show you how to drive millions and millions and millions of clicks to your affiliate offers and start making multiple $100,000 commissions from the comfort of your home. So make sure you check out those links in the description box below this video. So let's get into the fourth option. All right, fourth option is call speech to text. Okay, so this is a website. If you go to rev.com, you could come here and apply. So you could see people are ordering services. One of the services that they are offering is global translated subtitles. They're paying $5 to $12 per minute, translated on-screen subtitle for video with 99% accuracy. Place your order now. All right, now you could be one of those people who can do this job. All right, so you can either place an order, buy the service, or provide the service. So basically you apply, and if you know how to do this, you could be someone to provide this service and get paid handsomely. All right. And then the second option they have is English closed captions. Add English captions with 99% accuracy to your videos. Okay. If you know how to do this, you could be one of the person to provide this service to others. Okay. So you could apply for this job by coming here to rev.com. And then another one is human transcriptions, $1.50 per minute. Convert your audio or video into text with 99% accuracy by a professional. If you know how to do this, guess what? You could be one of those to provide a service. Now, if you scroll down, it gives you more information. You can see trusted by 750,000 plus happy users. Okay, and if I keep on scrolling down, it's going to give me a bit more information on what I can expect and what to do. So I'm guess a lot of people know how to do speech to text services or add captions, etc. So either you could be one of those to buy the service from this website or come here and provide the service. All right, it's very simple and very basic. So you could come here and start providing the service, and you could be one of those that will potentially start making sales and start making money in 2024. All right. So, and the fifth option to make money online as a beginner is called the ecosystem money friendly commission. All right, ecosystem, what does that mean? Basically, that means is if you looked at the third service that I provided to you, the third service was promoting someone else's product for once with a recurring offer and getting paid every single month in recurring commission, if you can remember. Now, this is a bit different. This is you promote someone else's offer and it's only a one offer, but because of that one offer has different type of integrated products inside, you get paid from different companies simultaneously. Basically, you get multiple paychecks from different companies at the same time, and you didn't even make an effort to promote those other companies. You just made effort to promote one company, one product, and you're getting paid from different companies. How cool is that? Let me put it in an example. Just imagine there was a product, front-end product, you're promoting that's going to pay you $100 commissions. But when they go through the training, the videos, they are recommending with different products and different services that could boost their income, boost their business to the next level. And when they go and purchase that product, those services, you get paid as a commission. So basically, you just promoted the front end product, but you're getting paid from multiple companies with multiple paychecks.